So that's Saltarin. That's what we named him. It means jumper. And he fell out of his tree because he's a rebellious little sucker who wanted to explore the world and be free, as we all should. He was, as I mentioned before, incredibly rebellious and always tried to fly, which always got him into trouble. And so we decided to take care of him. And this is that little journey that we had with him. The reason why we decided to take care of him is because in my neighborhood there's a lot of cats who love little animals like Saltarin. So we decided that it'd be best if we took him inside because we couldn't reach the nest where the mama had the other little babies. So that's why we took him in.
Mira Luna, bien grosero. ¿Y sabe de qué hora se cayó? Fíjate, porque no tiene nada en el pico.
Pues usted muy bonito que quería domar uno.
Sí, pero me da lástima que anda llorando. Un chillón. Y a ver si le puedo arrancar un gusano. Vamos a hacerle como hace tu mamá, si te rasca gusano. Sacamos un gusano para darte. Vas allá donde voy a... No, pero imagínate, se tiró de allá.
The time that we did have him, we made sure that we always put him outside with a lot of supervision, so that way his mom could also make sure that he's okay, and she could also try to feed him. And that's either the mom or the dad, but I'm pretty sure it's the mom, because mamas tend to be more concerned.
Where's your mama? Right there. Nish. Wow. Wow.
Okay, so this here now is the problem. This youngling believes he can fly, even though he's only like, what, probably 7 days old. And just keeps trying to fly and keeps trying to fly. But he was super chilling and vibing.
Oh my goodness, what
he was
a
a dopest
big
man.
boy or
So
girl.
cool.
I don't even know what you are.
Chacho, ya te locaste. Chachito este.
I'm sorry.
Say hello.
So, this is my house. Do you like my house? I'm watching comedy shows. This is some creepy stuff that I've made. This is where I sleep. I hope you like it. And that's where you belong, outside, and you're gonna fly soon. And then you're gonna leave us. That's okay.
Bird done shat on my shoulder. Yes, you fucking did, you little bitch. Don't you fucking deny it. Look at your ass.
Good morning, my best friend. How are you today? That is wonderful.
So, this is where the story starts getting sad, and then there's like nasty foreshadowing if you understand Spanish.
Ay, chamaquita, boca, ya anda tu mamá. Anda tu mamá buscándote. Dice, ¿qué pasó con mi hijo? No sale de esa jaula que la meten ahí grande.
And sadly, this was an actual final goodbye because he decided to go flying again, as he always
Bye.
loved to try. And he did get a little further this time, but he got stuck in a trash can before we could get to him and had too much exposure to the sun. So, RIP, little one. You were so fucking cool.